Trying to learn more about affiliate marketing? Read this. Affiliate programs are a great marketing technique that companies use to lure in customers. Companies basically outsource the job of attracting customers to affiliates by paying them for each sale made. When using affiliate marketing, there are some important facts to remember. Use the tips in the following video to properly use affiliate marketing. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. Try to use secret links. Hyperlinking words or phrases in your text to related affiliate pages is one way to organically integrate affiliate links. Use these techniques, but be honest about them. Let viewers know beforehand that they will be clicking on an affiliate link so they don't feel manipulated. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. As stated before, companies lure in customers by using affiliate programs. Companies hire affiliates to attract more customers and pay them for each sale. By using the tips from the video above, you can use affiliate marketing to lure in more customers and increase the profits of your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.